Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 9 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and today's sketch is brought to you by Stella Harris, and it's a double page spread, which is really cool. And what I'm doing, because there's lots of photos on this layout, I am using Christmas photos. So I'm doing it of all the, well, some of, I should say, the decorations on our Christmas tree, our special baubles and ornaments that we have. Oh, and they're upside down. And they're, a lot of these are baked clay or fancy flecking and gold work and all sorts of stuff on them. And this little one is a mirror ball one my daughter made, because apparently Taylor Swift brought out a mirror ball ornament for Christmas that sold out like hotcakes, and my daughter missed out on getting one. So I went, well, I wasn't paying the probably exorbitant price it was anyway, so let's go to Spotlight, get the stuff, make your own. So she did. Yeah, she's a mad Taylor Swift fan. And this is a really cool one. He's got a cord on him, and you pull the cord down and his arms and legs go out. It's really cute. He's wooden. And then you just, and his nutcracker's the same. You pull his cord dangling between his legs. Very inappropriate. Anyway, you pull his cord and his legs and his arms swing out. So that's lots of fun. And a snowman. Yeah, so anyway, that's the photos that I'm doing. Our Christmas, some of our special Christmas ornaments. And the papers I am using, and I've just realised because it's double page, I'm going to have to grab another page of something. Because this was going to be my base page, forgetting that it's double-sided, unless I've got another one of them. But I've only got one of them, I think. Oh no, I've got two. Okay, cool, I'm set. So that is the base page I'm using. And then Stella has pattern paper down here on the sides, so I'm going to use this as my two sides. May mat the photos in this, not sure, but I also have other papers here I could use. I have Silent Night paper, which is probably a bit of a shame to cut that in half, so I probably won't be using that for the sides. It's got a plain red print. And I've also got just red and green cardstock. Now I've used the red already to cut out a film strip, because I keep burying the sketch. Stella on her sketch, oh goodness. These photos are in a film strip. So I've got this one by Tim Holtz. It's a small one, but it's a long one. So I think what I'm going to do is cut this in half and tuck it behind some of the photos. So I've already cut that out ahead of time. And the accessories I'm using are Gnome for Christmas by Echo Park Paper. I have these in my stash. I haven't used them yet. I've had them for quite a few years, so going to break these out. I've also got the matching ephemera pack, the frames and tags, and the puffy stickers, and the enamel dots. So that's what I'm using. Let's get this page started. Okay, there's my finished pages I should say, double spread. It resembles Stella's sketch in as much as I have the patterned paper on the side like she has. I have lots of photos that she has. My embellishment clusters are in different places because I had to make it suit my photos. But yeah, pretty much it resembles the sketch. I had lots of problems with this one on placement, on what embellishments to use. Oh my goodness. I struggle with this page and I don't know why. And I don't know whether it's because it's not Christmas, it's June. So, you know, I don't know. And I know we're going into the cooler months here in Australia, but our Christmas is in summer. So maybe that's why I struggled too, because it doesn't, even the season doesn't feel like Christmas, like the weather. Anyway, that's what it is, and it didn't come out too bad. The frames, I thought I wanted to tuck them under the photos, but that didn't quite work. So then I thought, well, what do I do with the frames? So I had them placed and went, well, they look boring, just the frames. So I decided to cut the music sheet paper and put that underneath, and that actually makes them stand out. And I guess it also ties in with singing around the Christmas tree. So anyway, that works for me. So that is my page. I hope you have enjoyed it. Make sure you check out the playlist below that has everyone playing along with the series. If you've liked this video, give it the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.